Alright, you guys, we're back for day 4. That was pretty funny. We are fishing, same pond we have not. I think we're just gonna stay at this pond because this is where my grandpa lives. He lives just pretty close to here. But I'm gonna make a video of me beach fishing. Something just surfaced. This morning I went out fishing and I snapped off. I'm just gonna leave my stuff right there. I remember those logs, but I think I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna move down. I think I'm just gonna stay right here because there's a lot of weeds going that way. Got one. Oh, it's a little dink, but it's okay. It'll work. And I lost my worm too. Buddy, stop. Oh my God. Ouch. Super small little largemouth. Let's get a picture of this really quick. I like taking pictures of all the bass that I catch. Get a picture of this. I don't know what that was. See if you could see it. Boom, a couple pictures. Nice little bass. Let's toss them back. Over here is the money spot. But I really hope I don't lose another one of these guys because I only have 2 of these guys left. That stinks that I lost it, but I'm happy that I caught a fish. Okay. All right, there's one bass. First bass this year in Florida. Nice little largemouth. I feel like 8 ounces, half a pound. Oh, another dink. Oh, that one's a little bit better. I see why it was a weird fight. I hooked him all the way through the bottom of the mouth. Let's get him off. A little bit smaller than the last guy, but it's a fish. Let's get another picture. Boom, boom. Super small. He's healthy though. Get him back in. All right, there's 2 bass on the day already. That's the most fish I've caught. Day 2 and 3, I did not get anything. But day 1, I got a bluegill. Day 1, I got a bluegill somehow. And then day 2, nothing. Day 3, nothing. Day 4, I've already caught 2 bass. Make sure it's clean. Okay, it's a little dirty. Cast it more out towards the middle, like right there. Oh. With no weeds. I got a bite and it pulled me into a stick. Okay. I had a bite. It's crazy. I had the bite and then that stupid stick was there. It may have been the stick though. I have no clue. I'll never know. I need to fix my worm really quick. Nope. I don't think I'm gonna catch anything right there. Just gonna reel it. Kind of faster than before. Yeah. I gotta get this guy in so I can. Right there. I don't know if I'm gonna catch anything. Just give it a slow. get out towards the middle more. Got 2 bass in that like little cove right there, I think. We keep the same worm. I'm just gonna switch it, cause that worked last time. I caught the first bass, lost the worm. Next cast, I caught a fish. So there we go. New worm. Watch us catch a fish first cast. All right, a couple more casts and then all right, one more cast after this one. All right, last cast. Magic. Let's go super slow retrieve. I'm gonna do one more cast. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, you guys, we caught 2 fish in this video. Hopefully when I do day 5, I'm probably gonna be on a canoe or kayak in this pond. I know I lied about it being day 4, but we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, sub, and comment what you would like me to do when I get back to my hometown. So I'll see you next time, and goodbye.